Renewable sources of energy are more and more common, but for the grid operator, it's quite difficult to manage the grid this way, with energies coming off and on into the grid. So that's why batteries are key in the system, to be like buffers in certain areas, especially on the non-interconnected environments. So it's okay when you are on a continent like Europe, because you can even buy in Germany electricity from France. But now when you are on small islands and you cannot depend on solar plants, if they represent the majority of your power capacity, and all of a sudden there is a cloud passing over. So you need to manage your grid, and then you can rely on your battery. But even on an island, you are talking about megawatts. So that's why megawatts of power needs to be in containerized systems, for instance. And to make a container full of cells, you need electronics to control the cells, and also software, to do the power management of the system, and to communicate with the grid and the environment. 2014, Barzur project. Barzur, it means in Creole, nascent dawn, which was the light, coming up. And I think it's a very good symbol. Very, very challenging project, very sizable, 9 megawatt peak solar, and a 9 megawatt hour batteries, lithium-ion storage, so 9 containers in series. And Saft got awarded as the leading partner of the consortium. It was not only challenging as far as size and environment, it was on the Réunion Island in the Indian Ocean. So it's a non-interconnected zone. So very critical, the battery in the local grid. This project also combined social integration. The ground where we installed the battery and the solar panels, it was all around the prison. The challenge was also to train inmates with agriculture in greenhouses that were roofed with solar cells, and also apiculture. So it was not only a technical challenge, because it was the first time we installed such a sizable project, and also a challenge in terms of timetable, because even though you got awarded at the beginning of 2014, you needed to complete the whole project by the end of the year, which we did. So it was a big challenge for the teams at Saft. And I think even though we had some hiccups, it was, I think, a pretty big success.